Just give me romance.
I want you to be my girl.
You know, love, you've been thinking lately that it's about satisfying a sexual purpose, but with me it's not like that. I'll take your love anywhere I can get it, but for now, just give me romance.
Only you can share my world, lady.
It's a stroll on a cool summer's night through the park. A tale of two hearts, moonlight beautifies the dark. Love is in the air as you await the dawn. Present a rose and a bottle of Dom Perignon. When two are in love, it's a bond of trust, a rocket of compassion to the heart or bust. Communication is a must and differences discussed. Satisfaction achieved, then eliminate the fuss. If you share the emotion, no problem can't be overcome. Love is a potion uniting two into one. Separated your laws and together you're invincible. Sex is physical, not love. Remember your principles. Love is a risk and broken hearts I don't regret. It's taught me to realize what you see is what you get. Stay strong through the bad times. Establish a stable ground. I hope you don't get dizzy, cause love makes the world go round.
I want you to be my girl.
Just give me romance.
Only you can share my world.
Sex comes next, but for now, just give me romance.
I want you to be my girl. Only you
Envision this. Allow me to serenade, then we conversate intimately as I steal your heart away by reciting sweet poetry. Sweep you off your feet. Passion burns like a cigarette with our body heat. We stain the sheets with sweat, tightly embraced as we lie by the fireplace. Can't wait until morning to await till your lovely face as you rest. Your expression reveals your finesse. You're aroused by the smell of a gourmet breakfast. Spend the day together, walking on the beach hand in hand, playing in the waters, kissing on the sand. Love is yours to cherish. Faithfulness makes you feel proud as your heart skywrites I love you in the clouds. Not SCX, it's LOVE, I stress. As a new day evolves, begin the same process. Indeed, I plead, let my emotion enhance. Sex comes next, but for now, just give me romance.
I want you to be my girl.
Just give me romance.
Only you can share my world.
Sex comes next, but for now, just give me romance.
I want you to be my girl. Only you can share my world.
Just give me romance.
I want you to be my girl.
You know, love itself is a flower that needs fertilizer and water to bloom. So fertilize that and give it a whole lot of water, which is love. And I'm sure it'll bloom. And every day will be full of roses.